Have you ever just sat down and watched the rain, not thinking about anything in particular, just listening, watching, observing as all the little droplets drop from the sky, dropping, dropping, down to the earth, sinking, seeping, deep into the ground, just watching the blanket of rain dropping endlessly, covering the outside world like a screen with constant soft motion, always dropping, always sinking, endlessly. Isn't it so relaxing to listen to the rain dropping? Such a lovely sound. Relaxing, calming. When it rains, I like to look out and not think about anything. Just letting the sound drown everything out. Letting it push all your thoughts out. Drip, drop. There goes a thought, being washed away by the rain. It's a nice feeling, isn't it? Having all those thoughts washed away by the endless rain. Constantly dropping over and over again. Little droplets of thought falling away, sinking into the earth, dropping, dropping, deeper and deeper, as the rain keeps dropping and you keep sinking deeper into my voice, into my words, washing over you like rain, seeping into the soil, deeper and deeper into the ground, like my words seep into your mind, absorbing into your subconscious, sinking into you. Some drops don't disappear though. They stay on the surface, creating clear pools in that empty mind of yours. You can focus on these pools, reflecting the calm emptiness of your mind as you continue to listen to my voice and the dropping rain. Dark, endless pools, like my eyes. So easy to lose yourself in these dark pools, looking deeper for the bottom. Yet, it's like the deeper you look, the more you feel the pull to keep looking, to keep listening, focused on the dropping rain, focused on my soothing voice. The sound of the rain becomes heavier as your body becomes heavier, as you feel more relaxed. You go deeper into my words, into my voice. Listen to the echoes of my voice, resonating over and over in your mind. Doesn't it feel so good, so natural, to follow my voice, to listen to my words, to obey my words? As natural as it is for the rain to drop and sink into the ground, so too is it natural for you to drop for me and sink deeper into my voice. Just let my voice wash over you, clearing your mind, refreshing your thoughts. The rain keeps falling, and you keep dropping deeper and deeper into the soothing sound of my voice. There's no need to think, pet. Submit to me and enjoy this blissful mindlessness. Enjoy the empty calm of your mind. Very good, my pet. Now, I want you to slowly start coming back up into awareness, nice and awake. I hope you enjoyed listening to the rain with me.